Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL. And today is day 18 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question that we are going to solve today is Churro activity date, and this question got asked in city of Los Angeles. Okay, so let's quickly see the question. So the question is find the inspection date and risk category, which is this is the column name given, which is having risk category information, that is PE underscore description of facilities named street churros that received a score below 95. So what we have to do, it's a very simple question. We have to find the inspection date and the risk category of facilities where the name is street churros and the score should be below 95. This is what we have to do. So it's a simple filtering problem. So let's quickly see the table so that we can understand it better. So these are the columns given where we have facility name, okay, where we have to put this, that the facility name should be this. We have a score as well. Then we have the description, okay, and we have activity date, which is going to be the inspection date. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to put filters. We are going to write down where facility name is equal to this. So let's first filter it out. So we are getting all these records, but the score should be below 93, 95. So we are going to put that filter as well. And score is less than 95. Okay, let's run this. So we are getting this. So from here, what columns we want? We want inspection date, which is activity date, and the column which is PE description, that is this column. Okay, so let's run this code, and this is what we are getting. So let's match it with expected output. So yeah, we are getting the same output, right? It is matching. So this is the question. It is a very simple question. Here it is just the simple filtering that we have to do, where we have to find out the facility name, which is mentioned that it should be street churros and the score should be below 95. And then we have to find out these two columns. Okay, and we did the same. So yeah, now let's submit this problem so that we can check whether our query is correct or not. So it got accepted. So our query is correct. So this is how we solve this problem. If you have any question related to this problem, you can ask in the comment section. And if you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I will look into it. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like the video. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.